2, 2, 2, 4, or sorry, I say 2 when I mean 12, it's like I
I was
like
wondering
I
about
start
that.
over, I know, I do, every semester I have done that, I don't know.
It's like the last
I
little
start
topic,
over at 10.
it was all over the chapters, that's why I was trying to.
Yeah, well, yeah, you're right, like, we started with material in 12.1, and in chapter 15, and a tiny bit actually in chapter 16, the
Right.
parametric things in chapter 16. But vectors are all in chapter 12, and it's 12.2, 12.3, 12.4, I think 12.5, yeah, it's 12.2, 12.3, and 12.4. So one, don't forget your handout has this bulleted point. That's why the list I'm writing on the board right now is not necessarily meant to be a thorough notes list, because you have that typed up for you. I'm just kind of, in terms of our discussion, trying to remind us, you know, the main things we talked about, okay?
One thing I know that we didn't quite get to, we were working on the mechanics of dot product and cross product. If the dot product equals 0, then that tells you that your vectors are perpendicular to each other.
They're 90 degrees to each other.
If your cross product is 0, and remember the cross product is a vector, the dot product is a number, a scalar. So notice I just wrote 0 here, here I wrote 0 but like a vector. However, the 0 vector is the point, it's the origin. That's what the 0 vector is. It's the origin. So if you do a cross product and you get the 0 vector, that means that A and B are parallel to each other. Okay, and I know we didn't get to that in our notes. We also talked about what parallel vectors were and what equivalent vectors are. I'm trying to think. It seemed like we hadn't gotten talked about standard basis vectors, and then we started to do some applications. So we started to do applications. Okay, so that's kind of where we are. So today I'm going to pick out, again, we will finish this packet, but today I might skip around a little bit because there's certain definitions I want to make sure we get to tonight. But I will start with number 7, which is kind of where we left off. So I'm on number 7 where we left off. Let's see. I feel like some people came in while I was talking. So DeMarco, you already turned your homework in. That's good. Robert, are you getting yours organized?